How to turn off message option from Facebook page. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Facebook application. Now tap on the three lines and switch to your page account. Now tap on the three lines. Now scroll down a bit, go to settings and privacy and tap on settings. Now scroll down a bit. Now under audience and visibility, tap on how people can find you and contact you. Now under messaging, disable the toggle for allow people and pages to message your page. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a warning question, want to suggest topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.